Recently returned to the U.S. from China is at Bellevue Hospital this morning being tested for possible exposure to the coronavirus.
If the case is confirmed, it would be the first diagnosis in New York City. CBS 2's Tara Jakeway is outside the hospital in Kips Bay with the latest. Tara?
Well, Cindy and Andrea, as you can imagine, the atmosphere here is a little tense this morning as people here in Kips Bay are waking up to that news that the first possible case is right here in their neighborhood at Bellevue. Many of them we've seen walking by us here in the street wearing masks. Now, it's important, officials say, not to panic because this is a scenario they were prepared for.
If it turns out to be a positive case, the Department of Health will do the work that it is well known for in tracing back all substantial contacts the individuals had.
Officials say the patient had just returned from China last week. The male, under 40 years old, checked himself in with flu-like symptoms Friday. That same day, the U.S. government mandating a 14-day quarantine for anyone returning from the Hubei province, where this all started. Those returning from other parts of China asked to self-quarantine.
They encourage us to work at home for 14 days before show up at work.
That is, if travelers can get back from China at all.
I just got a phone call from China. There's people, they scheduled the flight yesterday for February 3rd, but just a few minutes ago, the flight was canceled.
Matthew Damron was stalled on his way back from a study abroad program in China. He recounted the fear his family must have felt as travel restrictions started to pile up.
I'm sure that it was absolute hell for them. They called me several times after all the updates came out and, in tears, just praying that I was going to be able to come back.
American, United, and Delta among the major airlines cutting back on flights. Starting today, all U.S.-bound flights from China will be funneled through 7 airports, including JFK. There are now 8 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in the United States and over 14,000 worldwide. At least 304 people have died. Now, we're told this patient has been in stable condition since he came in on Friday. The CDC says it takes anywhere from 36 to 48 hours to conduct that testing. So that means we are very close to finding out whether the coronavirus has in fact landed here in NYC. We're live in Kips Bay. Tara Jakeway, CBS 2 News.
Tara, thank you.